Alright, we're just gonna get right into it. Today's a clutch shop for the 300 with my boy Jose. Big shout out to him. He didn't have to help, but he's gonna help us out. So right now we're trying to figure out how to get this car to his house. Thankfully it's like 3 minutes away, so we're gonna try to jump start it. I've never done that, so like, yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. Wondering, no, I have no experience changing the clutch. When I did the clutch in the 370, a friend actually did it for me. I watched, but I never touched. So I am so excited to actually work on the car. Super excited.
You feel like it's right where it needs to be to go
Put it in first.
On first, yeah. Should be able to pop right in. Close your door whenever you're ready, and I'll give it a good push.
Okay. No.
Your road is uneven. We got speed.
Right. It's how far we've made away from the house. My house is like right over there. Alright, so if it goes, just go to your house and they'll drive your car. Alright, so some magical reason this guy was actually able to make it to his house, and he actually had clutch for like a good,
I had it all the way until the corner.
To the corner, and then he had to pull in a neutral and he made it in. So today's plan is drive home the 300. We got this. This is so nerve-wracking. Now I'm just basically lubricating everything with W40, so it's not so the bolts are like super hard to get off. Perfect. Let's go. Okay. Ow. Good. I hit my hand with the. There you go. There you go. There we go. Got it? Now you go. What the frick?
This big boy is heavy.
Oh god, this is. Yo, this is so heavy.
What did we get ourselves into?
This is so heavy. Well, I almost died, he almost died, but we got the jack and we jacked it out. Let's go. It's got aftermarket mufflers, I believe he told me, but he's still got stock X pipe or H pipe, and then stock test pipes and stock down pipes. So that's definitely really good because I can actually like do some more exhaust modifications to it. Straight pipe coming soon. All right, you guys are about to hear a literally no down. Wait, oh yeah, we still got the down pipes. So straight down pipe 300ZX. I don't know if we can do it, but we're just gonna do it real quick. It won't really hurt the car. It's literally a diesel truck. That sounds so good. Alright, one more time.
Can we please not put an exhaust on this?
No, you don't take it apart.
Alright, dude. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
Alright, now they get it. This drive shaft was a pain to take off because we got a twin turbo version and it's a little bit different than the NA, and there's also a 2-piece. And basically, we just separated both sides of the drive shaft as you saw. We just kind of grabbed the pry bar, I hammered it, and it came loose. What's next? Oh, now we gotta get the starter, and then we can basically work on the trans. So he's actually gonna work on the starter, and I'm gonna work on the, let me see if I can show you guys. There's a bunch of like little sensors on top of the transmission you gotta take care of. Right up there. I don't know if you guys can sort of see, but I'm gonna be working on that, and he's gonna work on that.
Because
oh my god, this shit is heavy. Things are getting real. We just made the longest. Look at this. Ah, it's like, and reminder, I'm like 6'6", so just imagine. See, imagine how tall this is. This for the top bolt of the transmission was gonna be super hard. I'm gonna try to show you guys, but
reach your hand up against that bell housing, and then just work your way up to that top bolt.
all right, forward. Never mind. To the left. More back. Back and this way. All right. Oh, push in. We're so close. Oh, I think we got it. So this is how we were able to get the hardest transmission bolt, which is the top one. I kind of just put my hand in here with a swivel socket and literally just, yeah, you need it. And just guided the extension, which is coming all the way. Oh my God, back there. Oh, right, now he's getting with the impact. There we go.
We're gonna have to take it off the jack.
I remember that.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I got it. I got it.
I told you.
I know.
Alright, boys, and with a lot of hard work, determination, and holy crap, look at this inside of the transmission. And something that's really bad, we only had 6 out of the 10 transmission bolts, so it's not very good. Yo, we're out here with the Z's. We got my 92 twin turbo, Jose's 2011 Nismo, and another 94 NA, but still, so many Z's around here. It sounds louder, dude.
I'm not sliding it, Jose.
Dude, yeah, you gotta drift right here. You gotta drift right here.
Imagine if this.
Yo! It looks so good just taking off.
It does. You saw it squat in second gear.
Yeah. Finally, time to take out the clutch. We got bolt all these right here on it, and it should come out. Look how bad this clutch was. Look at all those burn marks, and it was literally like, damn, dude. New and old. Dang. Are the springs supposed to move like this? No, right? I don't think so. Well, you guys let me know if I'm wrong, but I don't think it's supposed to be like this. But all in all, needed a new clutch. New, and then you got old. Yo, that's a pretty big difference, dude. This is a stage 3, and also a lot of you boys are gonna ask, oh, what clutch did you go with? I'm not gonna lie or say I got a nice clutch. I went with an eBay special, guys. Like, I don't recommend you guys do it, but this clutch that I got, my friend runs it on his, another friend of mine, and another friend of his were on their Z's, and they said it's fine. We're gonna see if it lasts or how long it lasts. Learn from me. Don't do what I'm doing. Just this gonna be a test. See if eBay parts are as bad as they say. What do you think, Jose?
Dude, I just bought a whole eBay exhaust for my Z.
Finally took this out. Oh.
$200,000
Look how bad that looks.
Dude.
Technically, if I did want to keep this one, I would have to refresh or resurface it, but I'm not gonna do that, so we got a new one.
There we go.
Yo, let's go, dude. Oh, that goes for the throttle bearing. I realize I've been doing a terrible job vlogging because this process is like I'm learning and it's just hard to explain to you guys. Alright, so we just took out the fork right here, so you can see this holds the pilot, not the pilot, but the throttle bearing, and we actually are waiting for a slide hammer so we can take out the pilot bushing that's over there. I'll show you guys in a bit. But we already put that there, as you can see. Now we're gonna go ahead and grease up the pilot, not the pilot bushing, what can I not speak? This little ball right here. Then pull that together, put it back, then we're good. Take out the pilot bushing, put the new one back in, and then we should be good. Now we gotta get
So my car's like creaking. Yours is just like.
that thing out.
First day, brand new. Exactly. That like broke man. That we didn't have it.
Oh, there you go.
Considering the rest of the trip was literally just that one section, it was like a.
Look at that. Jose was just reminding me, I don't think I've showed you guys. Look, the turbos are right. Turbo number 1 and turbo number 2 is kind of hard. Oh, never mind. Right there. They're Garrett something. Let me show you guys a problem. Well, not problem, but something we made a mistake on. When you put in the pilot bushing, it needs to be flush to the end of the slope. As you can see right, wait for it, focus. You can see right there is flush to the end of the slope, to like the bottom part. But don't push it too in so you still have space, but yeah, that's how it has to be. Before we put on the pressure plate, I just want to show you guys Yo, that looks pretty clean. This hush. Haven't vlogged in a bit. I look like a mess. I look like a ball of dirt. I've been really thinking about life. Like, what am I doing? I'm just kidding, we're good. Well, it is that time. We're gonna put the tranny back in. I mean, I already scooted it down. Or scooched it down, it's back there. Whew, this has been a tough job. Whew. Alright guys. Currently, wow, look at my face. Alright, anyways, it's currently 11 p.m. Haven't eaten 6 hours. I haven't drank water in a bit. Feeling really loopy, like I can't even walk straight. Almost done. The big problem was our transmission didn't have every single bolt, so we literally had to like manure putting it in and then putting bolts on like the right side so everything goes in. Anyways, don't do this at home.
Day 2.
Day 2. I think the last clip you saw, I was like half dead, half alive. I was super loopy and I just wasn't there. I don't know if I said it, but it took us 3 hours to be able to put the transmission back in. Alright, so we just undid the bottom transmission bolt to fill it up, well, to drain it, and look at all the metal shavings from the tranny. I don't know if you guys can focus. There we go. Wow. Someone had a hard time shifting before me. And this is how it's supposed to look like. Holy crap. We also don't think anybody's ever changed the transmission fluid. That's what was so bad. 3 and then hold it on the 4th, alright? Yeah. Alright, holding it.
Okay.
More?
Yep, do it again.
I have not been picking up the camera at all. Basically what we've been recently doing is we've been bleeding the clutch a lot because we put in a new master. Right, focus right there, so you can see we put in the new master. We also, we bought a new slave, but we stayed with the old one because it's a little bit better than the one I bought and there's nothing wrong with it. So someone inside the car is gonna be pumping the clutch up and down, up and down, up and down. And then when they hold it, you're gonna have to put this hose in here the whole time. So when they hold it, you're gonna open up, then let all the bubbles go into this bottle right here, and basically then close it. Then let the clutch fluid just keep going through everything, and just keep pumping the clutch. Stop it, then you open it, let the bubbles go here, and you'll be good. Then you gotta also bleed the bottom, which you got a slave cylinder right here. Here's the banjo hose, and here right under the banjo hose, there's like a little, also like a little nipple, like the one at the very top, which you do the same thing. You grab the little hose, you put it on here, then you drag it to the bottle. You keep it closed, somebody up there pumps the clutch, then you stop, then you open it, and all the bubbles are gonna come out, then you close it, and do repeat that over and over again.
Hold it. Yeah, we got air. We got air in this one. Do it again. That clutch is just gonna get heavier, dude. I just got more air out of here. Want to do this to yourself?
That clutch is so heavy.
We had a Dodge Challenger Hellcat at the Chevy dealership while I was there. This clutch is heavier than that car, and I stalled out the Hellcat.
I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. First, this is what we've been waiting with. This is like our masterpiece. Oh, I forgot about that. It grabs at the Let's go! Since we don't have this on. Oh yeah. You can feel it. Do it.
And that's only 3,000 RPM.
No. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey.
That noise that it scrapes on the tires.
Ah, they rub?
Yeah, they rub.
Riding off into the sunset. Hold on. Into the sunset.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little clutch install. Oh my god, somebody was there. I am absolutely dead. Great learning experience, like absolutely amazing learning experience, but look at me, I look like a crazy person. But in reality, boys, it was a tough job, especially on the ground, changing out a clutch on the ground, it is no joke. Like, you gotta either have friends or I don't know. It was just a tough job. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave that thumbs up for Lizzie. Now we have both these running correctly on the channel, so give a big thumbs up for the effort that we put into this, and it was a lot of hard work. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out.